Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is date day for the week and we have decided to come to, what's this place called, baby?
West Coast National Park.
Yeah, West Coast National Park. We've been trying to do a lot of inexpensive days and it's been going well. So far we've spent 75 rands each. Just come in here, the water is amazing, it's clear and there's so much to see. There are ostriches and there are also wild birds and wildflowers. So I can't wait for you to see it and spend the day with us.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Vintage. I've been feeling freaky. No, you can pass.
Looks like a wedding venue.
Thank you so much for spending the day with us. Now we are headed home. We came here quite in the afternoon, so you couldn't see all the animals because it was quite hot. Now it's a bit windy. We are heading straight home. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I can't wait to do more with you.
On the way home,